Okay, here's a tutorial using ACDSee Ultimate version 10 on how to brighten some images. So let's say here's a JPEG and it's opened with ACDSee Ultimate 10. Okay, to brighten it, currently we're here on View, go here to Develop. Okay, and on the Develop tab we have these things on the left side. You can use, let's say, the General, and here we have Exposure. Just click inside and the image is being changed. You can right click that same area to reset it to the default value. Okay, so to make it brighter, simply drag it to the right a little bit. Okay, and let's open another one. Let's say Light Equalizer. Open that one, and here you can adjust either the darker areas called shadows or the highlights or the midtones. So the same thing, just drag it to the left or to the right. Okay, to restore it, simply right click also, and the image was brightened. Okay, to automatically save the file and adjust another one, just come down here, let's say to that one. I clicked on this one and it's asking me what to do with it. I can click on auto save, and after this click on save. Okay, it's applying the changes and it's showing the next image, and meanwhile it created a folder where it's storing the original image, and this one is already the modified one. So here at originals we have the original darker image. Okay, so in the same way, come, let's say, to this one, increase exposure or shadows or whatever you want, click on the next one and it's automatically saving it. Exposure, shadows, next one, and it's automatically saving it. Okay, when you close it, the pictures were brightened, plus you have the original unmodified JPEG files also. That's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.